Hey guys, it's Dave. And for this exercise, I'm going to be using two balls, two juggling balls, and the pattern I'm going to be doing with my hands is simple like this. So they're out of sync. I actually might also mix it up and make them in sync. But I'm going to start like this, staggered, maybe you could call it. And they're both just straight up and down in the same hand. And for my legs, I'm going to be squatting. So I'm going to squat, maybe, I'll do it kind of slowly, so get down to about here, and come up. And I'm not really squatting, I'm kind of doing like a, it's hard to squat, so I squat, I'm kind of, my legs are weird, but I squat usually with my knees pretty in front of me. But I'm going to do them out here because that makes it easier to put my hands in front. So let's just make sure that I can do this, okay? Alright, so let's start with that. Okay, not too, too demanding, but you can see, right, so there's not much working memory being used here. Really the only decision that I'm having to make is whether I stay up or go down, right, and how fast to move, I guess. And of course there's working memory in just keeping track of the balls in front of me. Okay, so that's for that movement. Now I'm going to add in a little math. And I think it's just going to be, maybe let's try, should I make it hard? Yeah, I'm going to make it hard because this movement is kind of easy for me right now. But I'm going to add fractions of increasing denominator. So it's going to be, I'll start with 1, yeah, okay, it's going to be hard if I, alright, I'm going to start with 1, and then 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. We'll see how far I get because it's probably going to be kind of tough. And I didn't, rehearse this beforehand, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so 1 plus 1/2 is 3/2, right, or 1 1/2. Plus 1/3 is, well, 3/2 is 9/6 plus 1/3, which is 2/6, so that's 11/6. Okay, plus 1/4, well, common denominator of 6 and 4 is 12, so 11/6 is 22/12 plus 1/4, which is 3/12, is 25/12. Okay, plus 1/5, so that's going to be 60ths. So multiply by 5, so 25 times 5 is 125, so that's 125 60ths, plus 1/5, which is 12 60ths. So that was 125 plus 12 is 137 60ths. Okay, I'm going to stop there because I don't even want to know what happens after that. But my knees are going to start hurting. Anyway, that was really fun for me, just that little challenge. And it was good that I picked something not too demanding on the legs and not super stressful on the hands. Alright, I'm going to leave it at that for now. Next time maybe I'll do something with both of them together. And I invite you to try it as well. You don't have to count fractions like I did or add fractions like I did. You can do much simpler things. I recommend starting, in fact, with just counting by different numbers. Counting by 3s, counting by 7s, counting by 15s, whatever. It's fun. And you can use that you can use a strategy of adding parts of it and then adding what's left. So I did that in another video. Anyway, I will talk to you next time. Keep practicing.